Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we will be talking about SpaceX Starship, the spaceship that will change everything. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has made significant strides in space exploration and has revolutionized the way we think about space travel. The Starship is a key part of their ambitious plan to colonize Mars and make interplanetary travel a reality. Before we dive into the details of the Starship, let's talk about some of the challenges that space travel has traditionally faced. One of the biggest challenges has been the cost of launching objects into space. Historically, it has been incredibly expensive to send even small payloads into orbit. This is because traditional rockets are designed to be used only once and require extensive refurbishment after each launch. Additionally, the vast majority of a rocket's mass is fuel, which is consumed during the launch and is therefore a one-time use. All of these factors make space travel prohibitively expensive for all but the wealthiest governments and organizations. The nearly 400-foot-tall Starship prototype, standing in Boca Chica, is the product of 4 years of development and more than a dozen generations of smaller prototypes. The Starship is designed to overcome many of these challenges. Unlike traditional rockets, which are discarded after each launch, the Starship is designed to be fully reusable. This means that it can be used for multiple launches without the need for extensive refurbishment. Additionally, the Starship uses methane and oxygen as fuel, which are both more affordable and easier to produce than traditional rocket fuels. The Starship is also designed to be much larger than traditional rockets. It stands at over 50 meters tall and can carry up to 100 people. This makes it an ideal vehicle for transporting large numbers of people or payloads into space. The Starship is also equipped with a heat shield, which allows it to withstand the intense heat of re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. One of the most hotly anticipated events in commercial space this year is the maiden orbital flight of SpaceX Starship, a rocket designed to one day fly humans to Mars. A nearly 400-foot-tall prototype of Starship has been seen on and off a launch pad at SpaceX Starbase test site in Boca Chica, Texas, since February last year, and a liftoff could finally happen as soon as this month, SpaceX recently said. Starship is a two-stage rocket consisting of a booster and an upper stage capsule capable of carrying passengers and cargo. The structure is similar to a regular rocket but significantly larger. When fully stacked, the Starship stands 394 feet tall, equivalent to a 40-story building. If successfully launched, Starship will be the tallest rocket ever flown, although its current version has less thrusting power than NASA's Space Launch System, SLS rocket, which is 322 feet tall, which blasted off toward the Moon in November. The prototype standing in Boca Chica now, named SN20, SN stands for serial number, is the product of 4 years of development and more than a dozen generations of smaller prototypes with various configurations. One of the most exciting aspects of the Starship is its potential for interplanetary travel. SpaceX's long-term goal is to colonize Mars, and the Starship is a key part of that plan. The Starship is designed to be able to transport up to 100 people at a time to Mars, which is a significant increase in capacity over traditional spacecraft. Additionally, the Starship is designed to be refueled in orbit, which means that it could potentially travel much farther than just Mars. So, what does all of this mean for the future of space travel? Well, the Starship represents a significant step forward in terms of making space travel more affordable and accessible. By using reusable rockets and more affordable fuels, SpaceX is making it possible for more organizations and governments to participate in space exploration. Additionally, The Starship's potential for interplanetary travel could be a game changer for humanity. It could pave the way for the colonization of Mars and beyond, and could open up new opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. In conclusion, the Starship is an incredible feat of engineering, and its potential impact on the future of space travel cannot be overstated. It represents a major milestone in SpaceX's goal of making interplanetary travel a reality, and we can't wait to see where this technology takes us in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.